Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to see how to use quadratic formula to solve quadratic equation. So first we see what is the formula. So formula is a x square equal minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay. First, why I am taking both sign plus and minus? Because when we solving the quadratic equation, this formula we use the twice. One time we take the plus sign, second time we take the minus sign. That's why here in formula I take the both sign together. Okay, now this B, A and C stand for what? So let's see the standard formula, standard quadratic equation. So ax square, okay, let's say x square plus x plus c. Okay, so a, b and c. So a is a coefficient of the x square, or you could say the number front of the x square. That number we call the a. The number front of the x, that we call the b, and constant term without any x variable, that is the c. Okay, so when we solving this, when we use this formula and inserting the value, so we remember what is the value of the a, b and c. Okay, so let's see the example few. So first example, x square minus x minus 10 equals 0. Okay, so first let's see, front of x square is a no number means 1. Front of this x is a no number means minus 1, and this constant term is a minus 10. Okay, you might have a question, why we cannot use this ordinary way to factorize quadratic equation? I will tell you. See this formula. To get the solution, we need the any factor pairs of the 10. So 10 has a factor pair 10 times 1 and 5 times 2. If we multiply them, of course, we will get back the 10 or minus 10. But if we add or subtract them, we cannot get the 1, right? That is not possible. So the simple factorization we cannot do here, and we solve this equation, right? By the simple factorization. So that's why we have to use this formula, and when we solve this one, we will get the decimal answer. Okay, so let's get started. I remove this one front of, because I know you know very well that no number front of variable, it means it has a 1, right? So let's we first write what is the value of a, b. A equal, no number here means 1, b equal minus 1 and c equal minus 10. Okay, each number taking the sign front of it. Okay, so first I am writing the formula, x equal minus b, first time I am taking plus sign. Okay, b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, let's insert the values. So b is a minus 1. So this minus sign I will write already, and with the 1 it also minus. So inside the bracket minus 1 plus square root b square means minus 1 square minus 4 times, what is the a value? A value is a 1 times c value is a minus 10. I am writing in a bracket. Okay, square root, okay, over 2 times 1, because a value is a 1. Let's solve it. So after solving this one, we will get the answer. Okay, I will try to solve first this minus times minus plus 1 plus in a bracket, this one becomes the positive 1, because minus 1 square is a 1, and this is the 40 plus, because minus times minus is a plus. Okay, 4 times 1 is a 4, times 10 is a 40 over 2 times 1 is a 2. And if I solve this one, I will get the answer 3.70. Okay, so first time I solve it. Okay, second time again I am taking the same formula, but this time we will take here minus sign. Okay, b square minus 4ac over 2a. See, everything remain as it is, only this sign. This sign will change. Here it was plus, here it is a minus. Again we insert the values. X equal minus minus 1 minus square root minus 1 square minus 4 times 1 times minus 10 over 2a. Okay, so x equal 1, sorry, it is a minus sign, minus square root of 1 plus 40 over 2, and that x equal minus 2.70. This is the answer. So x value equal minus 2.70 and one time 3.70. See, I told you we will get answer decimal. That's why this is not possible to direct factorize. That's why we need to use this formula. Let's see one more example. Question 2. So here another example, 3x square plus 11x plus 9 equals 0. Here x equal minus b plus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, pause this video and try your own. Okay, let's see and then compare your answer. So here, if you are not sure, then we first write the values of the a, b and c. So a equal 3, b equal 11 is positive and c equal 9 also positive. So this time we have all values positive. So x equal minus 11 because 11 is positive, so we have to take only this minus, plus square root of 11 square minus 4 times 3 times 9 over 2 times 3. So answer is a minus 11 plus, okay, 11 square is a 121 minus 27 times 4 108 over 6. So final answer going to be a minus 1.23. Okay, I rounded this number. Okay, first time we use the plus signs, this plus sign. Second time we are going to take the minus sign. So what I am going to do, I am not going to write this formula again, just these things. I am even not writing this, I am writing this step direct. Okay, so x equal minus 11 minus square root of 121 take away 108 over 6. So x equal minus 2.43. This is the answer. Okay, so these steps you can short this all things, so you can save your time. I hope you understand. Please like and share this video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.